And incidentally, we also have to remember that our line is actually Shiksha Parampara. The line, the Guru Parampara that we draw is not based on Diksha. It's rather based on Shiksha. For example, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj was not Diksha disciple of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Bhakti Vinod Thakur was not the Diksha disciple of Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj was not the Diksha disciple of Baladev Vidyabhushan. But that is how our line is. So what does it indicate? It indicates that it is a Shiksha Parampara, which is also known as Bhagavat Parampara.
As we read Prabhupada books, he is our Siksha Guru also.
Yes, Prabhupada is the Guru as a Shiksha Guru. There are two types of Gurus. Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru. Diksha Guru is the one who gives Diksha. Diksha Guru is the Guru who gives the mantra. And to the Diksha Guru one surrenders. Is the surrendering point. But Shiksha Guru is the person who is training us in spiritual life. Now in ISKCON, whose Shiksha is prevalent? Whose Shiksha is most prominent? Not only most prominent, whose Shiksha is the Shiksha in ISKCON? Srila Prabhupada. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada is undoubtedly the Shiksha Guru of all the devotees of ISKCON for all time. And this is the point. Like Prabhupada is the Acharya. Acharya means Guru. Srila Prabhupada is the Shiksha Guru. And that is the difference we are having with some other group in ISKCON. I mean, who, kind of splintered away from ISKCON. They are saying, no, Prabhupada will be the Diksha Guru. No one is qualified to give Diksha. I mean, we have problem with that concept because there is no such precedence. There is no such scriptural evidence. It never happened in the past. It's not mentioned in the scriptures that after one's disappearance one will continue to give Diksha. It doesn't happen. And Srila Prabhupada himself didn't say anything about that. So, Prabhupada is not going to function as a Diksha Guru, but Prabhupada is functioning as Shiksha Guru. And Prabhupada will continue to function as Shiksha Guru. Because Prabhupada's Shiksha is the foundation of ISKCON.